You know that feeling, right? That specific morning moment.
Hmm.
You've just rolled out of bed, you're still half asleep, and then you take that first, like, big sip of water.
And everything just snaps into focus.
Exactly. It's like a switch flips. The
Huh.
fog is just gone. It's so immediate.
And that sensation, that's not a coincidence. It's not just in your head.
So it's a real physical thing that's
Oh,
happening.
absolutely. Drinking water right after you wake up physically engages your brain's neurological systems.
Right.
So for this deep dive, that's what we're going to get into, the surprisingly fast mechanism behind that morning boost.
Okay, let's unpack that because how does it work so quickly?
Right.
I mean, water still has to get absorbed through your gut and all that. It just feels too quick for it to be, full rehydration.
And that's the key. It's not about full rehydration. Think about it. After 6, maybe 8 hours of sleep, your body is in a state of, well, it's fluid depleted.
Dehydrated, basically.
Exactly. And that creates this subtle electrical imbalance in all your cells.
Right.
But it's especially important for your nerve cells, your neurons. They rely on a really precise fluid balance to send signals efficiently.
So that groggy, slow feeling is literally my neurons not firing at their best.
That's a huge part of it.
Yeah.
But the correction is incredibly rapid. That first intake of water, it doesn't need to rehydrate your whole body.
Ah, I see.
It just needs to start restoring that fluid equilibrium right around the cells. That signal alone is enough to optimize the environment for your neurons.
So it's almost like a system-wide announcement that help is on the way.
That's a great way to put it. That restabilization of the electrical system, that's what gives you that sudden clarity.
So we're not just talking about hydrating your muscles or your skin. This is a profound nervous system thing. The brain itself is. It's literally thirsty.
It is. The sources on this are very clear. Even a minor, really slight water deficiency immediately weakens two things, concentration and memory,
Wow, right away.
instantly. If you start the day even a little bit depleted, you've already handicapped your ability to focus before you've even had breakfast.
And that's such a powerful contrast, isn't it? A small cup of water can actually optimize your mind before you even think about hitting it with caffeine.
Well, this brings up the big question for you, listening at home. How many times have you instinctively reached for coffee first?
I mean, it's almost a reflex for most people.
It is. So many people make this mistake. They overlook that their brain is fundamentally neurologically thirsty, what the sources call cerebral thirst.
You need to give the engine oil before you add the stimulant.
Precisely. You have to address that fluid deficit first.
That really is the key takeaway here, then. Water is the immediate shortcut. It's the non-negotiable first step to restoring that balance for real mental clarity.
And that leads us to a final thought to leave you with. If we know for a fact that even a minor lack of water instantly impairs your focus first thing in the morning.
Yeah, what does that imply for, say, 3 in the afternoon?
Exactly. How should this knowledge change how we manage our hydration and focus throughout the entire demanding day? That morning sip is crucial, but maintaining that optimal clarity, well, that requires ongoing maintenance.